Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Right, so I'm looking at 35, and this is Baritone Euphonium private lesson. And it says, repeat this using the following fingers. Open, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. The equivalent to trombone stuff. I've played euphonium enough times. In fact, I've played that in a college band for a while. And this is just lip work. So this is what it sounds like just as is. Until you go into second position, do the same pattern. You're going to be on A's and E's now. Out to third position. Now we're dealing with A flats and E flats. Some of these notes we have not worked with yet. Out to fourth position. In fourth position, we have low G's and D's. We've worked with D's, not the low G's yet. Out to fifth position, we have G flats and D flats. Both of those are not ones we've worked with yet. Out to sixth, F's and C's. We are familiar with C's. F's, not too much yet. Then all the way out in seventh, E's and B naturals. E's are natural too. So now I will do the whole exercise without talking between sections. This is my tempo. All slurred. And searching through my program, I just discovered 35 trombone private lesson. I just did the euphonium one, which applies to trombone as well, of just doing the and this one is doing first position, F to B flats. Alright, at the end it says, move the slide very quickly as you tongue. Tongue only the first note of each slur. Problem with that is that there's no slide movement between the F and B flat. And I would do that using all 7 positions. 2, 3. Third. Right, and that takes us through. Right. So this is part B of the trombone warm-up. And in this case, there are a couple things I want to talk about with this. So one is we're doing F's to G's, and it says to do, to do. So I'm going to do that first. That's a way of slurring to do. Another way is what they call fretting or against the grain. It depends on who you talk with. In this case, you can do a natural slur, kind of like you can do F to B flat, and the D and the high F in there. You can do against the grain, going out and higher. So I'm not tonguing on that. I tongue the F, not the G. Going out and higher. Or in and lower gives you that. Natural lip slurs. Most likely, if you're studying this book at this point, you want to stick with the to do. But as you start progressing, you're going to want to get into more of those natural lip slur settings. And let's move on here. All right, so now we're doing the same thing, doing half notes, and I would do F to E flat, which is 35 here, part C. And I would always do that to do, because you're going out, and otherwise you get the smear. Versus and that take us to our next one. All right, so now we're doing slurs on part D. Do, 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 do. Move the slide very quickly as you tongue. Tongue only the first note of each slur. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.